car, a Mazda Miata.
And what are you using?
Water. And sandpaper.
Of what density, grit, aggressiveness?
1000.
Looks like you have a little method there to go as quickly as possible.
Yep. Well, I need to get all the paint off that's been scrubbed off, so I can wipe it, and then rinse this pad off a little and put some more water on there, and
How do you know when you finish with an area?
it is completely matte. There aren't any orange peel spots.
How long does it take you to do the door, for example?
20 or 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes.
And then you follow it up with 1500?
Yeah.
How long does that take?
Maybe 10 minutes.
And then you have a matte car.
Yep. And then I use mother's polish, and I polish it off with the buffer, and then I use a finer mother's polish, and then I wax it.
And it ends up looking freaking gorgeous. You almost sort of see the difference. Oh, this is the wrong panel. All right, here we go. So one of these panels is clearer than the other one. It's hard to make it out in the rain, though. Huh?
Never mind.
So how many hours do you have into the project so far?
Probably 20.
And how many do you have left before you have a gorgeous paint?
Maybe 15.
Nice. It'll be super awesome. This side of the car already looks super great. Nice. So much different than the hood. Yeah. It looks luscious. Can't really see how crappy this one looks with all the rain on it. Lots of orange peel. See if I can get right up close to it. See how blobby it is. And what have you learned in general through this process?
There's always an easier way to do something.
Nice. Would you like me to get you a baseball cap so your eyeglasses stay clean?
No, it's fine.
Okay.